Welcome to the Good Bottle in Sacramento. My name is Jason Vanny. I'm the brand ambassador for Broken Shed Vodka. Today we're going to teach you how to make a Quarantini at home using 3 simple ingredients. We're going to be using Dry Vermouth. We're going to be using Broken Shed Vodka from New Zealand made from sheep's milk whey. And then we're also going to be doing bitters that are with orange. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab an ounce of Dry Vermouth. That should do it. Into your stir glass. Next, we're going to use 2 ounces of Broken Shed Vodka. Right there. Perfect. And then finally, we're going to finish it off with 2 dashes of orange bitters. Perfect. All right, next we're gonna add ice to our beaker and then we are going to stir. We need to stir it just enough so the ice dilutes slightly in the alcohol, releasing all of the flavor. Next, we're going to grab our strainer and we are going to strain into our martini glass. And now, we're going to top it with a lemon wedge or a lemon peel. We're gonna squeeze. Ta-da! And now we taste.
Oh God. Oh God.
Refreshing.